The United Democratic Party has officially announced its candidates for the upcoming MDC elections in the KHADC and JHADC. The list includes Lee Trevor S. Barre, who will be contesting from Jirang, Sinshar Kupa Roy Lingdot Thaba from Soyong, Anthony Kongwang from Nongshken, and Mayor Wan Pasi from Nangba Mintudu JHADC. The announcement was made by General Secretary Gemino Mautor in the presence of President Metba Lingdor. Speaking on the occasion, President Metba Lingdor emphasized the trust that the people have in the party and assured that the party takes this responsibility seriously.
It will not be the final list. We still have some, but very few. Very few. We are at the stage of basically verifying about all the, process and formalities which needs to be done from the those who are willing to contest and those forms which they have sent to us. So hopefully in a day or two the final list will be out.